companies, but the purpose of the next 30 minutes is to help the brokers in the audience and maybe other people in the audience understand how their companies have, I think we've created a new verb, InsurTech-ified their brokerages. Michael, what can you tell us about why your InsurTech story started and how it started?
Well, our firm has been primarily for the past 30 years a big player in the commercial programs business. And so a number of years ago, we recognized that with an average premium of $1,200, you need to do that business in a very cost-effective way. So we recognized that we needed to both improve the customer experience as well as watch our cost structure. And also when we looked at the amount of money that we were spending on administration of those high-volume, small policy premium accounts, we needed to also find a way to streamline that so that we could watch our profitability. So, so we invested quite heavily in our digital strategy in that a couple of years ago.
Just a couple of years ago. Has your strategy evolved over that 2 years as you've learned?
It's evolved considerably.
Yep.
We started that by hiring an individual to build an online platform, and then we had some challenges with that, which I can go into at some point.
Okay.
Then we decided to buy an off-the-shelf solution, and that worked okay. But the challenge we had with that was that when you buy an off-the-shelf solution, when you come up with a great idea and you give it to your vendor, they take that great idea and they give it to everybody else.
Adam, award-winning insurance brokerage. When and why did your InsurTech journey start as a brokerage?
I might be the only one up here to not like the word InsurTech. I mean, I started in the brokerage in 2009-10 and just got busy trying to make decisions that made sense. So never really sought after a technology angle or solution. It's similar to what Michael said and what made sense and how can we automate any of these steps to help it make more sense for customers.
Okay, and I appreciate your point. I'm not entirely sure what InsurTech really means anymore. Danish, you are I guess a pure play...
InsurTech.
InsurTech, right? So why don't you tell us a little bit about what Zensurance does and how it got started? What was the opportunity you saw in the marketplace?
So we started technology first, and then we happened to be a brokerage. So that was our journey. In my last job, we did a survey of 1,500 small businesses and tried to understand what are their pain points when it comes to insurance. We did the survey, we bucketed them into categories. There's definitely a category that said we want to deal with a human, face-to-face, shake hands, and pay by a check. Those guys are well served. But there was a category of people that said it's a $500 policy, we just want to buy it online and make it simple.